Welcome back. We're still on 1.8. We're on example 4. Example 4 is so simple. You guys are going to do a great job on this. I'm so sure about that. As you can see, we have proportions. And we've already been doing proportions. We've been doing them in example 1, example 2, and in example 3. So we're good to go here. Really simple. You solve a proportion by cross multiplying. And so it doesn't matter which angle you begin with. I usually start top left to bottom right. Sometimes it just depends where the variable is, but it doesn't matter ultimately. So we have 5w is equal to 3 times 9, which is 27. And then last step, divide each side by 5. And w, and it's not going to work out evenly, and that's okay. It doesn't have to. It can be a decimal. And you're going to end up with 5.4 as your answer. And that's how you do those. It's really pretty simple. Now, where it gets a little more complicated is in letter B, okay? Because the variable is actually in a quantity. You need to look at this quantity as though it had parentheses around it. Even though I didn't originally write the problem with parentheses, your brain needs to put parentheses around it. This becomes, when you cross multiply, this becomes a distributive situation, because whatever's in that numerator in the upper right hand corner in that second fraction is going to be distributed to that quantity. Now in this case it's a 1. We don't normally distribute a 1 because anything times 1 is itself, but if it was any other number you would have to distribute. Okay? So let me show you what that looks like. 8 times 12. Well, that's 96. And that equals 1 times the quantity, x plus 10. I want you to look at x plus 10 and in your mind's eye, see it with parentheses around it. It is a quantity, and the entire numerator, 1, needs to be distributed to both the x and the 10. So it's easy to distribute a 1. Anything times 1 is itself, so you're just going to be left with x plus 10. And then the last step is to subtract 10 from each side, and you've got 86 is equal to x. So there you go. That is how you set those types of problems up. And if you have any particular questions, just save those for class. I do want you to practice a distributive situation, so I've created an extra credit one. I'm going to give a point if you do this one. So let's see here. Let's do g plus 3 over 5 is equal to 7 over 4. Now remember that g plus 3 is special. It's a quantity, and you need to put parentheses around it because we have a distributive situation. So that's my hint. Carry it out. Don't just write an answer. Show me the work. Show me the steps, and I will check this. So there's your extra credit. If you have any questions, write it in the margin. Back it up. Watch the video again, and I will talk to you soon if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.